Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first steps now. Make sure your Samsung tablet and the display are on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids pairing delays. Once done, enable the TV's screen mirroring or Smart View input so it's discoverable. Then swipe down twice on your tablet to reveal quick settings. Tap the gear icon if needed to expand controls. You're looking for Smart View or Screencast. This gets both devices ready to find each other and start the connection process. Now you'll connect using Smart View and handle the middle steps. Tap the Smart View icon in Quick Settings. The tablet scans for compatible displays. When your TV or dongle appears, select it. You'll see status messages like Connecting. Make sure to approve any confirmation on the TV. Sometimes a PIN or Accept prompt appears to authorize the mirror. If audio or orientation seems off, check the tablet's volume and rotation lock settings while connection completes, because those finish the session by adjusting display settings and knowing how to end it. Once mirrored, adjust your tablet's orientation and app zoom to fit the screen, and set volume on either device as needed because audio routing follows the active connection. To stop mirroring, open Smart View and tap Disconnect. That ends streaming cleanly. If the device won't connect, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle Smart View off and on, or reboot the tablet and TV. This resolves most discovery and handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.